Okay, a new DVD we've just been doing is Learn to Play Trivium. The tracks available on this DVD are going to be Pull Harder on the Strings of Your Martyr, Dying in Your Arms, Gunshot to the Head of Trepidation, and the two tracks off the new album Shogun, which is Down from the Sky and Into the Mouth of Hell We March. I would say the most challenging track to teach on this DVD would probably be Into the Mouth of Hell We March. It's got quite a sort of involved solo, and there's some fairly hefty rhythm parts in there that you've got to remember, and it's quite long as well, so there are a lot of bits in there to sort of like, break down section by section and teach. Well, I think the use of the 7-string, especially on the newer stuff, I don't know whether it's going to be like a conscious thing for them to sort of think, right, we're gonna try and make the 7-string sort of more fashionable. I mean, maybe on previous Trivium albums, especially on Ascendancy, a lot of their stuff is in drop D. So like when you look at it from a soloing point of view, you only really get to use 5 strings out of the 6 because you tune one down. Because when you down tune the string, it gives you a different sound when you riff in to when you just riff in normal tuning, because different notes are available to you. So yeah, it's probably just, right, we're going to write a new album, we want to sound different, so let's use a different style guitar, I suppose. And in turn it's made them sound different from previous records, so maybe that's why they've done it. I would say like final tips for this DVD would be to, this is available for, essentially Trivium fans, beginner to advanced. I mean, like I always say, even if you're a beginner and you think some of this stuff might be beyond you, you can, get it, and there'll be bits that you'll be able to do quite easily and other bits that you'll have to work on, but it's, great as a player to have a goal and work towards something that you want to do. And you've got the added bonus of trying to learn something from a band that you're into anyway. But I'd just say from beginner, intermediate to advanced, just learn the stuff and just have fun with it.